Today, we're diving deep into the world of Setmore to answer this exact question. We'll explore the ins and outs of both its free and paid offerings, dissecting what you get for free, what you unlock with a premium subscription, and ultimately, help you decide which plan is the right fit for your business needs. So, if you're looking to optimize your scheduling, save time, and maybe even save some money, stick around because this video is for you. Let's start with the good news, and for many, the most appealing aspect of Setmore. Yes, Setmore does offer a free plan. And it's not just a stripped-down, barely functional demo. The free version of Setmore is surprisingly robust and provides a solid foundation for many businesses, especially those just starting out or with a smaller team. With the Setmore free plan, you get access to an online calendar where you can book appointments with customers, essentially serving as your digital appointment book. You can create multiple staff profiles and calendars within a single account, allowing up to 4 staff members to manage their own schedules. This is a huge plus for small businesses with a few service providers. Imagine a hair salon with 4 stylists or a small yoga studio with 4 instructors. They can all manage their bookings from one central Setmore account without paying a dime. Beyond the calendar, the free plan includes automatic email confirmations and reminders, a crucial feature for reducing those dreaded no-shows. How many times have you had a client forget their appointment? These automated reminders can significantly cut down on that, saving you time and revenue. You also get a free, customizable online booking page. This is your public-facing portal where customers can view your services, check your availability, and book appointments 24/7. It's a professional storefront for your scheduling, and it's included in the free plan. You can even embed this booking page directly into your existing website or share its link on your social media. And for those who are always on the go, Setmore offers free iOS and Android apps, allowing you to manage your bookings from your phone or tablet. You can also accept payments through Square integration with the free plan. So, for a solopreneur, a freelancer, or a very small business, the Setmore free plan can be an absolute game changer. It provides the core functionalities needed to manage appointments efficiently, offer online booking, and communicate with clients, all without any recurring costs. It's a fantastic entry point for anyone looking to ditch the pen and paper schedule and embrace digital efficiency. However, as with most free offerings, there are limitations. While the free plan is generous, it's designed to cater to basic needs. If your business is growing, if you need more advanced features, or if you have a larger team, you'll likely start bumping up against these limitations. This is where Setmore's premium plans come into play. Setmore offers different premium tiers, including Pro and Team plans, and sometimes even a Premium or Pro Plus, depending on how they've structured their offerings at any given time. While the names might vary slightly, the general idea is that these paid plans unlock a significant array of powerful features designed to supercharge your scheduling and business operations. One of the first things you'll notice with a premium Setmore plan is the increased staff capacity. While the free plan caps you at 4 staff profiles, the Pro plan typically allows for more users, and the Team plan often offers unlimited users. This is essential for growing businesses that are hiring more service providers or expanding their operations. Beyond staff limits, a major benefit of the premium plans is the inclusion of SMS text reminders. While email reminders are good, text reminders have a much higher open rate and are incredibly effective at reducing no-shows. For many businesses, the cost of a premium plan is easily offset by the revenue saved from just a few prevented missed appointments. Another highly sought-after feature in the premium plans is two-way calendar sync. With the free plan, you can export your Setmore appointments to other calendars, but with two-way sync, your Setmore calendar can automatically export your appointments to your Google Calendar or Office 365, and simultaneously import events from those external calendars into Setmore. This ensures your availability is always accurate across all your platforms, preventing double bookings and giving you a complete overview of your schedule, both personal and professional. For businesses that want to get paid upfront, premium plans often include additional online payment integrations. While Square is typically available on the free plan, premium tiers might add options like Stripe and PayPal, giving your customers more flexibility in how they pay for services. This streamlines your payment process and can significantly improve your cash flow. Recurring appointments and classes are another key feature of the premium plans. If you offer regular, repeat bookings like weekly therapy sessions, monthly coaching, or ongoing fitness classes, this feature is invaluable. You can schedule an entire series of appointments or class sessions with just a few clicks, saving a tremendous amount of administrative time. For businesses focused on branding, the ability to have a white-label booking page is a major draw of the premium plans. This means you can remove the Setmore branding from your public booking page, leaving only your company logo and branding. This creates a more professional and cohesive customer experience, reinforcing your brand identity. Other advanced features you might find in premium plans include custom notifications, more in-depth reporting and analytics, HIPAA compliance for healthcare professionals, usually in the team plan, and integrations with various business apps like Zoom or Salesforce, allowing for a more interconnected workflow. Some plans even offer a live receptionist service, which provides 24/7 human call answering and appointment booking directly into your Setmore calendar. Now, let's talk about the cost. Setmore's pricing can vary slightly based on current promotions and whether you choose monthly or annual billing, with annual billing typically offering a significant discount. As of my last update, their Pro plan can be as low as $5 per user per month when billed annually, and the Team plan, which often includes unlimited users, can also be around $5 per user per month with annual billing. It's always a good idea to check their official website for the most up-to-date pricing and plan details. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.